Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add Voiceflow Chatbot to Framer. It is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead over to voiceflow.com first. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead over to integrations and in widget. Now in here, you should be able to see this code. So what we're going to do with this code is just basically copy, confirm and copy code. Once that's done, go ahead over to Framer right here. Now we're going to want to open up a project where we wanted to integrate our voice flow. All right. Say, for example, I'm going to go ahead over to my dashboard and open up a sample page right here. Next is just go ahead over to insert right here at the top left, click on it. And here in the search bar, type in embed. All right. Once you saw this one, just click on it. As you can see, it is now inserting. Now what we're going to do is just drag this one right here at our canvas. All right. Click on the move tool, move it right here. Just drag it wherever you want. And once that's done, go ahead over to right pane, scroll down a bit, and here in embed type, select HTML. As you might remember, we have just copied the code right here. If you're unsure, just hit on copy again, go back to Framer, and then here, right click and paste, or Control V. Then just click on the blank space right here. All right, click. And once that's done, if you want to review it, if it's working, just click on the play button right here at the top right to preview. All right, wait for it to load, test your agent, and there you have it. And that's how you add Voiceflow Chatbot to Framer. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.